Oh my gosh. Yes, buck down. I have no clue how big he is. I have no clue. I just look over and I catch a glimpse of movement and I'm like, oh, there's a deer. And I'm like, oh, it's a buck. I think it's a spike or a 4-point or something. I don't know. He's not much on his head, but it's a buck. And I was like real weird. I was like crouched trying to shoot. I think I hit him a little back the first shot, but it hit him hard. And he like toppled over and he got back up and I hit him high shoulder. I think the second shot dropped him right there. I mean, he's dead. Oh my gosh. Yes. Gotta let the guys know. I'm shaking like a leaf. I mean, he's dead right there, so that's awesome. Opening day, New York. Dad, I don't know if you guys could see him or not, but he had a bead on me. He had a bead on me. I had to shoot him. I think that tree was kind of blocking it for you guys, but I didn't have much choice. I felt like I had to shoot him. But he's done. So I'm gonna pack up and go down and check him out. That's my first rifle deer in so long. It feels so weird shooting with a rifle. But same stand I shot my archery buck in. My tree is literally 15 yards right there. But this tree I could see a little better out of. Yeah, 15 yards away. I could see this, I could be around this brush. I could see this flat down below me better. So I was like, this is where I'm gonna sit. Rolling?
Yeah.
Alright, so Caden just met up with me. That's the buck. That's the tree I shot my archery buck out of. He was right over there. But he's right up here somewhere. Like I said, when I hit him the first shot, I think I hit him a little back. It was just a weird angle I was shooting at. And he got knocked off his feet. I don't know if you guys could see it or not. I haven't even looked at the video. But the second shot, we put him down. Oh, he's better than I thought, dude. I thought he was a spike. Heck yeah.
Hitting the scrape.
Yeah.
Look
at that. I thought he was a spike.
Oh yeah. A 6-point.
Big old surprise there. Heck yeah. I don't even know. I'm trying to see where I hit him because the finishing shot was on this side of him. I don't know, but I am not complaining at all. Whew. Yeah, he was standing right, you can see those scuff marks right there?
Yeah.
That's right where he was standing the first shot. I don't even know how I had a hole for that second shot, but he didn't move after the second shot.
Could you barely see him?
The second shot? Oh yeah.
Yeah, because he looks like he's back in here. Is that a scrape or is that where he's just
No,
tossing?
those are scrapes, I bet.
That one right
That one
there?
is for sure. This one might be scuffs.
I think that's a
Because when I hit him, I saw him like kick.
Yeah.
Like he like rolled and kicked. And then he never moved after that.
That looks like it. That definitely is.